Hello my dear student, Algebra lecture number 6, chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you example from practice set 3.3, page number 72. Okay, question number 2. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Okay, now find the sum of first 123 even natural number. Now then you write down the first one, you write down sequence solution. First even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So this forms an AP with A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to 2. Okay, N is equal to 123 given. Find the sum of what? 123 numbers. So N is equal to 123 given, and then what? Write your formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then substitute values. S123 is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 into 2. Simplify 123 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus 122 into 2 is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus 244. So is equal to 123 upon 2 into 248. Simplify 123 into 124 gives you 15,252. Hence, sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Okay. Question number 3. Find the sum of all even natural numbers between 1 and 350. Find the sum of all even numbers. So first you write down even numbers between 1 to 350. Okay. Solution. All even numbers between 1 and 350 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to last number is what? 350. Are in AP with A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, Tn is equal to 250, and then find the sum of this. Okay, but for this you require n, so you will get n by this formula. Okay, solution. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and there here Tn is given 250. 250 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 get cancelled and 2n is equal to 350, and therefore n is equal to 350 upon 2 is equal to 175. So here how many terms are there? 175, and then you add all this. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. Now here I use that formula where last term you know. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, and therefore 175 upon 2 is equal to 2 plus 350. So 175 upon 2 into 352 is equal to 175 into 176, and if you multiply this, then you will get S175 is equal to 10,800. Okay, hence sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350 is 10,800. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find sum of first 56 term. Okay, then write your solution. Try to understand solution. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference, and therefore T 19 is equal to A plus 18D is equal to 52 given. Suppose this is equation number 1. T38 is equal to A plus 37D is equal to 128 is equation number 2. Now if you add this, adding 1 and 2, 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. Okay, now then you use this relation to find Sn. Don't find A and D. Okay, then now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and therefore S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 into bracket 2n plus 55D, 56 minus 1, 55D. So this is equal to 28 into bracket 2L plus 55D, and you know 2A plus 55D from what 3. Okay, and now therefore this value you substitute here, and therefore S56 is equal to 28 into 180. So this is from 3, and therefore S56 is equal to 5040. Okay, so this point here you try to understand. Now and therefore sum of first 56 term are 5040. Okay, then try to understand one more example. Question number 5. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 140 which are divisible by 4. Okay, now read this question again and write your given properly. Solution. Between 1 and 140 natural numbers divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12 and so on up to 140. So this 140 is not divisible by 4. So you find the last number, and that is 136, which is divisible by 4. So this is what your AP. Okay, now to find how many numbers is that means what n is, and n is equal to 34. Okay, now this you calculate. Now n is equal to 34, A is equal to 4, D is equal to 4, and therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 136, this is the last term, Tn 136 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into 4, and therefore n is equal to 34. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S34 is equal to 34 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 4 plus 34 minus 1 into 4 gives you 2380, and therefore sum of numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4 is 2380. Okay, now go through this example again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you. My dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.